Hey guys, and welcome back to Makeup by Ewan. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing something inspired by the Queen, Antonio Garza. And that video being inspired by this video, the video that has inspired this video is Antonio Garza's 9th grade makeup transformation. So I'm going to be filming my 10th grade / year 11 because I'm from the UK makeup transformation. And right now I look like a mess because it is currently way too early, dark outside, and I need to put makeup on. So I'm going to go do my eyebrows and I'll be back. So bye. Okay guys, so I'm back and I've just completed my eyebrows, and I might look quite tragic right now because the lighting just isn't it. Like, I tried to take a photo on Snapchat and my eyebrows my concealer looked green. And trust me, it does not look green. It looks like that. And you're trying to tell me that the stupid lighting didn't do that. I need to stop swearing because I'm just going to have to cut it out. So next up is my primer. So I'm just going to put that on and then wait like 2 minutes. So I've just applied my primer and it has set for around 1.5 minutes. Next thing I'm going to do is put my Tarte Shape Tape on the foundation. And then I'm going to bounce it in with my beauty blender. Tarte Shape Tape foundation is in the shade 620S Light Sand, if anyone's wondering. So that is my base, my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, the matte one, all blended in, and now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Okay guys, so that is everything blended in, the concealer and foundation, my eyelids and everywhere. And I just thought I would know, for my eyebrows I use the e.l.f. Brow and Liner cream in light brown. And to set the pomade / kind of just give it some more colour, not colour, just like intensity I guess, I use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in Ash Brown. So now it is time for contour, mascara and everything like that, and in Tarte Shape Tape I am the shade 16N, which is fair to light. Right now I'm just going to be taking the Wet n Wild contouring palette, which is in the shade Dulce Delecki, I think, and I'm just gonna put it. I'm just gonna set my concealer on my eyes, and in this one, my contour shade is actually fallen out, but I do have another one with the contour shade in because I like it that much. I'm trying not to be late today because I do not want to be late. Being late annoys me, and I just don't want to have to deal with that today. If you can hear a weird noise, it's just someone in the shower because my bedroom is right next to the shower. So now I think I'm going to do my contour, which this palette's the same one in the same shade, just with the same brush. So that is my contour complete, hopefully. And right now I'm going to be highlighting with that shade there. Also using that shade there, the golden shade out of the iconic Vitality. Is my highlight done on my cheeks, and I know I use eyeshadow, but I'm just too poor to afford a highlighter, and I'm so sorry if the lighting's a bit off because it's just the way it has to be. So now it is time for mascara, which I'm going to be using the Revolution mascara. My mascara completed. This is the finished look of this makeup transformation, and don't get me wrong, it looks quite tragic in this lighting, but I'm probably gonna vlog like on the way to school or like when I'm at school, so it hopefully won't look so tragic when I'm out in natural lighting. And I hope you enjoyed this part of the video, and I'll see you either when I'm in school or I've just come home from school. Hey guys, what the frick is that? Okay, that was a joke. I'm just trying to be like Antonio Garza. No, right now I'm on the way to school, and I'm just hoping no one sees me vlog because that's embarrassing. But like, I live like 2 seconds away from my school, and today I have tragic lessons, let's just put it that way. And I'm just begging there's no one in these cars that are in front of me because I really do not want to see them vlogging. Me vlogging. That's how I look like right now. So right now, I'm like literally 2 seconds away from school. Oh God. Like, I just have to walk up this stupid path. I need to bleep out my swearing. School just makes me annoyed, so I start swearing. But I'm like walking up this path to school and I'm just begging no one's around. So I'm about to get to school, and I know I have an hour of chemistry and an hour of physics today. And my physics teacher is probably going to tell me to take my makeup off because that's what she's like. Won't be the first time either, but I'll vlog to you all when I get the next chance. So peace. Hey guys, I'm back from 7 hours of school, and I'm sorry if my makeup's looking a bit tragic right now. I don't think it looks like that bad right now, and obviously in the title it says school vlog, and I didn't really vlog at school, I only vlogged on the way to school. This is because I wasn't just gonna whip my phone out in class and be like, yo guys, I'm vlogging. No, because phones are banned in my school. Because, like, the school's just like, no phones, if it's seen or heard, it's confiscated. And I was gonna risk that. Like, I could have gone to the toilet and just done some vlogging, like, some catch-ups, but the lighting in the toilets is tragic. But I'm back from school now, but I did vlog like 40 seconds, like, of me walking to school. But still, that was quite tragic. And if you like remember from the vlog part, which is like 2 seconds ago, but for me it was 7 hours ago, I said that my physics teacher, my time to take my makeup off, and she didn't. She was actually in a good mood today, so she was like, she joked with me, she didn't tell me to take my makeup off, which was obviously fun and fresh. And please, like, ignore the fact that my ears are red AF, like, it is. Wait a minute, I'm gonna check the weather right now. It is 4 degrees. 4 degrees outside. Like, are you actually kidding me? And I just had to walk home, my ears are red. They're red. And I just can't deal with it. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this, because, fun fact, I actually have another Antonio Garza inspired video coming up. Like, I'm not going to say what it is, I'm going to keep you in the dark about it, but it's going to be inspired by Antonio Garza. It's going to be like doing a trend that was a trend about a year ago, and it's not a trend anymore, but I'm just gonna cop the trend. I'm just gonna hop on it like yee. But I'm not gonna tell you what trend it is, because even though no one watches my videos, I don't want someone to steal my idea, because I have, no joke, been thinking about this idea for about 5 years. Oh my god, my highlight was actually popping today. Well, in my opinion, it was popping. And this lighting just makes my contour look so bad. Like, I'm looking in my mirror there, like, from the natural light, and it actually looks alright, but in this lighting, it just looks like, eek, no, it's not it. And I was going to do a lunch vlog, but I was like a bit too #embarrassed. But for lunch, guess what I had? Did I have a sandwich? No. Did I have, you know, something actually good for me? No. I had nachos. I basically just had a pack of Doritos for my lunch. But I did have a hash browns at break, so I'm hungry. Today, I'm just going to read you my timetable, because you probably don't care, but I care. So, first thing I had was maths, then English, then chemistry, then physics, and then BTEC PE last. And do you want to know how much that made me kill myself? 100%, but I'm still here because I actually want to live. I don't want to kill myself, but... So, I think that's the end of the video. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!